Miss Pat, you've got your doggy family here,
Yes,
and a doggy
I do.
that really means a lot to you.
This is Claire, my little foster. She gets along well with all the dogs. She gets along well with the cats. And I tell you, she is just doing great. When you and I first saw her, Ed, she was in the bed and she could hardly lift her head.
Yes.
But look at her now with the dogs. Come on, Claire.
So what is Claire's story?
Well, Claire's story is that an AC officer went to a call. A gentleman said that a dog had been thrown over the fence. And when he saw Claire, he had to lift her up with a net because she'd cry. And she was so terribly mad that before he brought her into the county, they had to take her to get her shaved. Well, once they got her shaved, she was super, super thin. And you and I were doing pet videos, and we saw her in the kennel, and I said, oh, this little girl's got to come home and get fattened up. So I've had her about, it's 3 weeks today, I think, Ed.
Mm-hmm.
And she has just perked right up. She follows me around the house. I'm like leading a parade. She's with the others. She wants to be with us. And she is house trained. She walks well without a leash. Come on, Claire, come. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, look at you running. Look at you running. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
I love that tail, Ed.
I know. Look at that.
Yeah.
What a difference from when last I saw her.
Yep. She couldn't lift her little head.
Yep.
She was just so sick.
Oh, my.
And so malnourished. And now the ribs are not as prominent. But it'll take some time. We'll get her going again.
Yeah.
We were a little concerned about her rear end. We took her to the vet, and her spine is fine. Her knees, the growth plate stopped. And her knees are a little thick. And the doctor thinks after she gets some muscle on her and some fat, those knees will be fine. Right now she's on a little pain medication because she's just got bone again, bone. She's got the long body. Look at her. She's got a long body
Yeah.
and that schnauzer face. She is just my little love bug.
She's adorable.
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
She's a good-sized dog. She's so quiet. And to take her for a walk, she comes when she's called. She walks slowly by your side, and she's just following me around. And it's so good to see her alive and full of vim.
And gets along well with other dogs,
Yep.
of course.
And also, the vet's office had an office cat, and the cat came up, and she and the cat were kissing each other.
Oh,
So she is just good.
that's just awesome. Look how she's looking at you.
Yeah, she is. This is my first foster. And I tell you, it's kind of hard, but I know we're going to get her a good little home, and so that I can take other fosters in and get homes for them.
Is she available now for adoption?
No, not yet, Ed. She will be when she puts on a couple more pounds, and we can have her neutered. So she'll come to you spayed and her first shots and microchipped.
But if anybody watching this is interested, they can call the number on the screen here and set up an appointment to meet her.
To see her and meet her. And you won't be disappointed, folks.
Absolutely.
She's a cutie.
She is a cutie. Please come see sweet Claire.